I grew up near a uranium mine when I was little. I always think that it had something to do with all that radiation that was around me, where my teeth were pretty soft. But I try really hard to really keep it, do proper care of my teeth, doing fluoride and brushing with soft bristles. And it just seemed like it just never really got strong. And then I got married, and when I had children, that kind of the problem really started to get a little bit worse. So then I started having caps put on. And that was the beginning of that, root canals all being done and putting new caps on it, and that lasted for a while. I realized the next step was implants. I love to exercise, so I decided, I better exercise my face too. So I was doing exercises. The first exercise I did was on my face, was my lower jaw. Put my mouth to the right, then I went to the left, and I was going back again to do another round, and I heard a crack. Oh, is that my bone or is that my implants? I was trying to decide which one it was. So later on, I put my finger in my mouth, and I felt the little hairline break on my lower implants. And I go, oh my gosh, here I go again. I'm going to call Dr. John Lee Walker, because my sister came here too, and she remembered he did a lot of work on her teeth. I'll go ahead and call him. And he says, come right in. So Kim made a trip, and he looked at it and he says, this got to be taken care of quick, because you don't want your one plant that's holding on to that broken piece to go bad to where it's got the implant will fail. I thought that was it, and I had to make an appointment. He started to work on me right there. He told me what was happening. He told me what he needs to do. He gave me a lot of hope, and I trusted him because, he's a person that will tell you the truth. And a lot of times, what I like to ask is, if I was your mother, which one would you recommend for your mother if I was your mom? A lot of times I base my decision on that. And you can just feel his sincerity when he talks to you, ways that what can be done. But he leaves it up to you to make the decision. I'm happy that I did come to see Dr. Walker, because I feel that he is telling me the truth and what's best for me.